In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mailchimp account and add email lists. We'll start right at the Mailchimp homepage. Open your browser and head to Mailchimp. On the landing screen, look for the option to create an account. Click that to begin. You'll be taken to the sign up form where you'll enter a business email you have access to, choose a username, and create a strong password. Aim for a password that uses a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. If you prefer, you can also continue with Google to use single sign-on. That can save time and reduce the number of passwords you manage, but either method works. When everything looks good, click Sign Up. Mailchimp may guide you through a short onboarding flow or ask you to verify your email before proceeding. Once you're in, you'll land in the main dashboard. From here, the area you'll work in for contact management is called Audience. Audience is essentially your database of subscribers and customers. Many people call this their email list, and in Mailchimp it lives under Audience. Click Audience to open it. Inside Audience, you have two main ways to add people. You can add them individually or import a batch from a file. Click Add Contacts to see these options. If you already have a spreadsheet of contacts, choose Import Contacts. This is great for moving over an existing list. Mailchimp typically supports CSV files and similar formats. Before you import, it helps to tidy your spreadsheet. Put each piece of information in its own column, make sure there's a clear email column, and remove duplicates. During the import, you'll map your columns to Mailchimp fields like email address, first name, and so on. Take a moment to review the mapping so everything ends up in the right place. Also, add tags or groups during import if you want to label contacts by source or interest, which makes segmenting easier later. If you only need to add one person or just a few, choose Add a Single Contact. You'll see a simple form. Start by entering the email address. Below that, you'll find the consent checkbox that states the person gave you permission to email them. Make sure this is true before you continue. Permission is essential for compliance and trust, and it helps keep your sender reputation healthy. Laws like CAN spam and GDPR require clear consent and a way to unsubscribe, and Mailchimp provides tools to help with that. Next, fill in any details you have, such as first name and last name. These fields are optional but recommended since personalizing messages with a name can improve engagement. You'll also see areas for address, phone number, and birthday. These are helpful if you plan to segment by location, send time zone friendly messages, or run birthday campaigns. Only add what you actually use and keep your data accurate and up to date. Once you've completed the details and confirm permission, click Add Contact. Mailchimp will save the person to your audience and you'll be able to see them in your contacts list. If you've added multiple tags or fields, those will appear alongside the contact, making it easier to filter and send targeted messages later. A quick tip as you build your database: it's often best to maintain one primary audience and use tags, groups, and segments to organize contacts within it. That keeps your data cleaner, prevents duplicates, and simplifies reporting. If you ever import a list again, use the same tagging system so you always know where contacts came from. To recap the flow, create your account, go to Audience, then either import a file of contacts or add a single contact by entering their details, confirming permission, and saving. With your audience set, you're ready to launch campaigns, set up automations, and track performance. But for now, your Mailchimp account is created and your email list is in place.